Let's do another example, shall we? In this particular equation here, y equals to sine 2x plus pi over 6. Same thing, okay? Right, so value of, what's the value of A? A is 1. What's the value of B? B is 2. What's the value of C? It's pi over 6. There is no value of K in this question. Okay, continue. How do we find the amplitude? The amplitude is just simply equals to modulus of A, which is 1 lah. Okay, what's the period? The period is 2 pi over B, which is 2 pi, what's our value of B? B is 2, right? 2 pi over 2, which is pi. Okay, let's find the interval. The interval is simply taking our period and then divide it by 4. So take our period, divide it by 4, and then we will get pi over 4. Next, phase shift. Phase shift is minus C over B, which is minus pi over 6, divided by B, which is 2. Okay, this works out to minus pi over 12. So these are important information. Amplitude is 1, period is pi, interval is pi over 4, phase shift is minus pi over 12. Okay, these 4 things. I've rewritten them here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to draw the graph. Same thing as just now. Okay, the trick is I'm going to draw my horizontal axis, but I'm not going to draw the vertical axis yet. In this particular question, the graph is sine. Okay, see here, the graph is a sine graph. So what does a sine graph look like? The sine graph looks like this. Okay, it starts from 0, goes up, goes down, and then ends here. Sine graph always looks like this. Isn't it true? And then where is our starting point? Minus pi over 12. So this point here is minus pi over 12. Do you remember how to find this point, this point, this point, and this point? Remember how to find that? Okay, simply add the interval, okay, plus interval. Okay, our interval is pi over 4. So for example, this point here would be minus pi over 12 plus pi over 4. Okay, and you can use your calculator and press and work out all the values. Okay, it's not too difficult to do. This particular value here would be pi over 6. This one here would be 5 pi over 12. This one here is 2 pi over 3. And the last one here is 11 pi over 12. Okay, where is our y-axis? Is it here? Is it here? Is it exactly right here? Well, look at this. This is negative. This is positive. So the y value, the 0 value, must be somewhere in between here. Okay, I'm gonna fill in my y and my x. Okay, I fill in here. That's that. Okay, now we have an issue. See, the graph always starts from the y-axis. It starts here. This side here doesn't count. Okay, it's extra. It doesn't count. So if it starts here, it must end here. Okay, we must go back up to the same height that we were just now. So you have to continue the graph up to this height. Stop. Okay, this is where our graph stops. Next question. From this point where it stops to the beginning, what is this? See, it's as if this graph recycles itself, right? So this is actually a period. So if this is a period, then what is this value here? This value here is just simply equals to pi. Okay, now we must check, does it make sense? This is, if it doesn't make sense, you know that you went wrong somewhere. Okay, so this is 11 pi over 12. It's almost 12 over 12, which is 1. Okay, it's almost at 12 over 12. This is 1, see, 1 pi. So yes, our answer does make sense. Yeah, so cool. We are actually very, very quick. We're almost there already. So next thing, what's our amplitude? Okay, the highest and lowest point here, the amplitude is 1. So this is 1, and then this is obviously minus 1. Next, fill in the coordinates of the highest and lowest point. So the highest point here is pi over 6. You can see from here pi over 6. This is 1. The lowest point here, x value is 2 pi over 3. The lowest point here is minus 1. Okay? Well, just for fun, sorry, not just for fun, we need to find this value. Okay, we definitely need to find this value here at y. So do you remember how to find that? Our graph is y equals to sine 2x plus pi over 6. That's the original graph. Okay, we've got to let x equals to 0. Therefore our y would be equals to sine, this becomes 0, right? Just simply pi over 6. Okay, and you press your calculator, what do you get? This is 0.5. Okay, it's exactly half. So this point here is 0.5. Okay, this is 0.5, which means that this point here, what's our x value? pi. What's the y value? 0.5. Okay? So one thing you need to do is, which I can't do because if I erase it, everything will be gone. Okay, but this one here, you should put it as dotted line. Okay, take an eraser, go and erase it, turn it into dotted line, because this is not part of your answer. This is part of your answer, so this one must be there. Okay. Now, how quick was that? That's all there is to drawing this trigonometry graph. It's really, really quite simple. Just keep practicing the same few steps. Find A, B, C. Find amplitude, period, interval, phase shift. Draw the shape first. Start from the phase shift. Okay, the value here is phase shift. Add in the other points by adding the interval. Okay, find out where the y-axis is. Fill in the coordinates. Find this one. I mean, honestly, it just takes a little bit of practice. You can do this graph in 5 minutes in the exam. Okay. This the marks for this one is not easy to get. So all the best, and I hope you get a lot of marks for questions like this in exam.